welcome to the official launch of the Color Branding Imprint virtual services. These services are also available for in-person clients as well. If you happen to be in the Toronto, Canada area and you would like to have an in-person color branding consult with me, please do send me an email and I will link to that below this video. However, this specific video is for those women who are ready to move forward with their color branding imprint assessment that will be done by me personally. I am so excited for you, and I just want to take this moment to congratulate you on taking a step on investing in your personal branding journey, your overall image and personal style evolution. If you are brand new to color branding, don't worry, I got you. I am here to walk you through all of the steps that's going to be required of you to submit your photos and what's going to be expected afterwards. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to need you to do is make sure that you are using a good quality camera. Now, it doesn't have to be a fancy photography camera, but a phone of good quality that has a good camera on it will do the job just perfectly. All that I ask is that you make sure that you are taking these photos on a good quality camera, all right? The second thing that I'm going to need you to do is to make sure that you are taking photos with the proper lighting. So you don't want to take photos in the dark. You don't want to take photos in a dimly lit room. You want to make sure that you are taking these photos in a naturally lit room. So as you can see, there's a little bit of sunlight that's coming through my windows. This environment is the perfect environment to take photos for your color consult. So I don't want to see yellow lighting. I don't want to see purple and pink and whatever personal lighting that you may have in your room. Please try to take these pictures near a window that has natural lighting coming through so I can see all of the nuanced coloring of your hair, your eyes, and your natural skin coloring as well. Another thing that I want you to pay attention to is background. Please eliminate any distracting bright colors in your background, or if you happen to be in a background that has a lot of furniture and a lot of just stuff in the background, please make sure that you are taking these photos in an area of your home where there is minimal distraction in terms of bright contrasting colors or just a lot of furniture behind you. It's just best to take it in a very simple room with very minimal distractions or minimal furniture behind you. So as you can see, I have a very somewhat plain background. I just have a couple of picture frames down the center of this wall, but as you can see, they kind of blend into the color of the walls. So I need you to find a place in your home that is not distracting, okay? The next thing that I want you to pay attention to is your clothing. You are not going to show up in the photos that you submit wearing colors like black. The best colors for you to wear are beige, gray, and white. If you have beige, gray, and white to wear for your photo submission, that is absolutely perfect. If you absolutely do not have access to those colors, what are you doing? I'm joking, but seriously, the colors beige, 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 gray, and white will do the job, and it will help me to see you rather than me seeing other conflicting colors. So I'm sure that you have an old white t-shirt or gray or a beige top that you can put on. It doesn't have to be old, but you get the gist. Like, just wear something that's neutral and where I can see you rather than seeing a color that is not going to help me be able to do a really good, accurate color assessment for you. I do also blend out any other colors that I find are distracting me, but to help with the process, I would prefer that you wear, again, beige, white, or gray for your photo submission. Also, when taking photos, no makeup and no filters, okay? This is why I said in my color analysis question and answer part 1 and 2 that, you know, this is an investment in the most personal part of yourself, because these are colors that you're going to be wearing every day, and I need to make sure that I am getting a very accurate picture of who you are when you are not in your most fabulous, glamorous mode of being on for the world when you're out and about, you know, in your regular daily life. So no filters, no makeup. This is not Instagram. This is not TikTok. This is not YouTube. Don't worry about it. I've gone through the process as well. I need you to completely remove your makeup, completely remove filters from your photos. Just take raw, naturally lit colors, as you will see the examples below this video. Okay, scroll down below and you will see the examples that I have put together in a beautiful collage for you guys to get an understanding of what I'm looking for in terms of the quality of photos that you submit for your color consult. Okay, moving along, please take close-up photos of your lovely face, because I need to be able to see your natural coloring, see the quality of your skin coloring, see your eye color, your natural eye color. I'll get to that in a moment. So make sure that you're taking one close-up of your photo of yourself and one that's not too far. And also, if you are wearing colored contacts, I would really appreciate if you just take them out for the moment so that I can just see your natural eye color. If you are wearing glasses, please remove your eyeglasses, because I need to see the color of your eyes. And if you're wearing glasses or if you're wearing colored contacts, obviously I'm either going to see a reflection because of your glasses, or I'm not going to get to see your beautiful natural eye coloring. Okay, again, if you're having trouble putting this all together, please have someone assist you to hold the camera up while they take photos of you, because I know it's a little hard to do it yourself and be conscious and aware of all of the things that I'm asking you to do for your photo submission. All right, next is I think I touched on it, but your eye color. I need to see a close-up of your eyes so I can get a really accurate assessment of your eye color. And your hair. If your hair is dyed, I need you to pull your hair back into a ponytail off of your face so that I can see your beautiful face, bangs and all. I can't do it because my hair is styled and all of that jazz right now. But again, I need to see you in your natural state. Hair off of your face in a ponytail. Please, you know, move your bangs over or comb your bangs backwards so that I can just see your natural face if your hair is dyed. If you have your natural hair color or in the range of your natural hair color, perfect, just leave it down and then I can do your assessment that way as well. And I can also, depending on the package that you choose, I can also recommend specific hair colors for you if you want to experiment with a new hair color moving forward once you get your color branding imprint results from me, and I walk you through it whether you're choosing the intermediate or the deluxe package. So when you hit upload photos, you'll see a purple button and it will say upload photos here. Click on that. I've allowed you to simultaneously select 8 photos, up to 8 photos for your photo submission. So if you want to make sure that you're getting everything that I am requesting for you here, I've given you 8 slots to attach your photos to. And once you hit the submit button for the photos, I will personally receive it on my end in my private email for clients that are getting their color branding imprint done by me. And then I will receive them, and then you will be required to make a payment in order for me to confirm that I've not only received your photos, but I've also received payment for your color branding analysis. So if you only upload the photos but you forget to make the payment, I may send you an email just to give you a heads up. Hey, I received your photos. They look great, but I haven't received payment, so I can't do your color analysis for you. I'm going to have to put that on hold. if you are choosing to invest in either the intermediate or the deluxe package. All right. So good luck on your photo submission. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see your beautiful photos and get you all ready for this next phase of your image and personal style journey. I am so excited to sit down with you and go through all of the range of colors that are available to you. If you are choosing to do the deluxe package, we will be discussing when is the best time to hop on one-to-one, either on WhatsApp or Zoom, so that we can have our one-to-one coaching session about your beautiful array of colors. If you are doing the intermediate package, you will get a pre-recording from me going through your colors and all of the details of your color branding imprint profile. And I look forward to receiving your photo submissions. And don't forget, this is the first step in completely transforming your life from the old to the new. Welcome to the Renaissance Woman of Style Color Branding Imprint Virtual Services. Bye.